Hi viewers, welcome to the channel, Miss Khan channel. Today we are going to enjoy the weather and enjoy the beauty of Pakistan. You can see the beautiful color of clouds on the sky and beautiful colors of storms all around. Here you can see, oh, almond trees. Look, we are crossing almond trees garden. We are moving towards the main road, but before this we are crossing almond trees garden. We move from off-road to on-road and on-road to off-road and enjoy the rainy weather, enjoy the beauty of Pakistan, enjoy the nature. Viewers, I hope you like my videos. If you wanna see something different, you can comment here and you make suggestions for me. But I hope you like our journey and enjoy the weather. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe our channel. Thank you.